kitchen. Today I am going to make a typical Gujarati dish called thepla. So for that, here I have taken 2.5 cup of wheat flour. Into this I am adding half cup of maize flour. You can also use millet flour, bajre ka atta instead of maize flour. Next I am going to add grated lauki or bottle gourd. You can also make thepla using fenugreek leaves, methi bhaji, or spinach leaves, palak bhaji, or coriander leaves, dhana bhaji. If you don't have any of them, you just need to add all these spices into this flour and prepare a dough like thepla. Then you can make tasty masala parotha. Then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, tal. Then around 1.5 tablespoon of jaggery. Then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, achar. Then pinch of asafoetida, hing. Then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1.5 teaspoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. And around half bowl curd. And 1 teaspoon of achar masala. If you don't have, then leave it. And around 2 tablespoons of oil. Add salt as per your taste. Now mix it all very well. We are going to make this into a semi-stiff dough. Add water slowly. So the thepla dough is ready. This is little bit stiff dough. It's not too soft and too thick. Now I am going to allow it to rest for just about 10 to 15 minutes. So the dough has been rested for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's start rolling theplas. Take this size of dough. Roll it like chapati, not too thick and not too thin. Now put it on a hot tawa. Let it cook for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Roast it on medium to high flame. Apply some oil. Thepla is ready. So thepla is ready. You can serve it with tomato ketchup and curd.